There's a quick update to share how happy I am with my YoLink water leak sensor, which saved me from having a massive water leak. During the night, the alarm went off that we had a water leak here in this is called a manabloc. It's a central sort of distribution system for the house. It's about 25 years old and they're notoriously crappy and fail. So what I'd done some time ago is wrap this sensor wire around the bottom of this unit so that if any leaks anywhere, they would fall down and eventually they'd touch this cable. And that happened. The siren went off in the middle of the night, told us exactly what the problem was, and it also shut off the water for the whole house because we've got a smart valve connected up. So the YoLink sensor tells the valve to shut off. And this whole system is just behind this panel in our laundry. I mean, this could have been leaking for days, probably weeks, before we'd have noticed any issue, which would probably have been mold appearing somewhere on the wall. So the plumber is on his way, and we're going to get this replaced. But thank you, YoLink. You really saved the day. I'm going to do a quick demo. I'm going to wet the cable, and you're going to see what happens.
Laundry. Manabloc detects a water leak.
Meanwhile, in the garage, the smart valve is turning off the water to the whole house to prevent any more water damaging anything. Pretty impressive.